Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. Today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use ultra game mode and performance boost on Vivo devices. So if you want smoother graphics, no lag and better response time on your Vivo phone, in this video I'll show you how you can activate ultra game mode and performance boost, and it's perfect for PUBG, Free Fire, Call of Duty, or any heavy game you play. So the Ultra Game Mode is Vivo's built-in gaming assistant that optimizes your phone's CPU, GPU, RAM, and touch sensitivity for gaming. It also lets you block calls, notifications, and boost frame rates for a pro-level experience. So to enable the ultra game mode, you can just open settings and just find the ultra game mode. You can scroll down, or you can also use the search bar at the top. Okay, so here is the ultra game mode, and now you'll see the options ultra game mode. So what you need to do is just turn on the game sidebar, and in here you can enhance experience such as game sound quality and effects, also the frame rate priority if you want to. If you have games in here, your games will show up in these options. You can also choose to block notifications when you are in the game, and you can also mute calls and use this screen mistouch prevention. So you make sure that it is on like this. And some Vivo models also include a performance boost or high performance mode under the battery. Let's see if my device have one. You can just find the battery options, and in here I think my device doesn't have that feature. If you have one, you can just go to this battery setting and find more settings and turn the performance boost on and give your phone more power during gaming, but remember it might drain your battery faster. So for the game sidebar before that I just activated this one. So by using this one, I can record screen, lock brightness, and turn on 4D vibrations if supported, and monitor the FPS in real times. So it's super useful for mid-game tweaks. So that's how you can turn your Vivo into a gaming beast. Let me know in the comments what game you'll test this on. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye!